I'm gonna try. This is my amazing friend here.
Current banana 5,541.
Let's go do some horror level 2. Let's go. And let's go.
Did it work?
You have speed boost, so stay behind me, please. Well, it's not fair.
The moon cosmetic. There's. Oh, I'm so.
It's not fair. I said don't leave me.
Hey, hold on, Adam. Wait, Adam, I'm doing it. I'm doing it.
No, I can't see because it's linked to the. I told you to wait.
No, you didn't.
Well, I'm doing this by myself, guys. That I did it?
Did the music playing?
No, it didn't.
Wait, the door's open. Adam, wait.
Oh, there you go. It
All the
fell.
way behind you.
It fell.
Let's go.
Let's go. I finally beat it
the
on
door's
camera. Finally, bro. On camera, at least. Wait, did you go? Let's go. You sure there's no horror monkey? Imagine not. Imagine if we could have made that. Is there any horror monkey?
There's none. Oh, passcode.
Let's
No,
go.
there's none. It's just the passcode.
Where's the door?
Oh wait,
Jesus.
look, 3 yellow. Look, 3 yellow.
Alright, let's just do it. Let's just find it.
3.
I know the code.
Alright, you gotta memorize. Wait. How do you know?
1 is green. Wait, 1 is green? Yeah, I knew it was right. Where'd you go? Where'd you go?
I'm right here. I'm right here, Adam. Where? I'm right here.
Alright, let's go. Let's
Come
go.
on, come.
You know where the
Don't fall
door
down
is?
here.
Shoot. I fell.
I'm coming down. I'm right here. Come on.
Whoa.
What is, bro? Why does it? Right. No, Adam. Wait for me, real quick. Let me come up there. Right,
Wait, why am I floating?
Up here.
I fell.
Bro, Adam. All right, come on. Go.
Why does the noise keep getting super loud? It scares me. Guys.
Oh wait, what's this?
Oh, the code is this. This is the code. Apparently, to YouTube, this is the code.
Oh, it opened.
Let's go. Oh, bro. To get out, you just jump up there. But let's just admire the beauty of level 4 coming soon. Alright, let's just do it.
Can't get out. Look, watch. Who knows how to? Oh yeah. Platforms, kid.
Yo, guys, hold up. I want to say, someone, there was an evil laughed when you left. Yeah, I have it on camera. Yeah. Wait, they can't hear you, but just join Monkey's Place and go back and wait. The servers, that was scary. Okay, shut up. I know. I don't want to try it. Yo, guys, that was scary.